Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia 7 Plus, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So once you get the device, you will be presented with the welcome screen, which is right now open. And start off by choosing the language. So I'm gonna change one to English. And from there, you can tap on let's go. Then you get the SIM screen, so you can insert a SIM card or you can just skip it, doesn't really matter, you can do that later on without any problem. Then connect a network. Now you will have to connect a network if the device was reset and someone didn't log out of the Google account, because it will basically force you to confirm the previous account. But as you can see, I can skip it if I would like to, so it doesn't really matter. There is no previous account, and I would just connect to it by tapping on the network and then put in a password. I'm gonna skip it because it's gonna take way longer if I would want to. It's gonna start searching for updates and stuff like that, so just a matter of time saving. Then you're presented with the Google services, which you can disable them if you like, each one. So you have localization and stuff like that. You can basically disable everything, and if you want to enable it later on or disable it later on, depending how you leave it now, you can do that through the settings. Everything is found in the settings. So yeah, now moving on, fingerprint unlock. You can skip this if you don't want to have any kind of security. I'm just gonna set up. So let's set up screen lock, and apart from the fingerprint itself, you will need to have other way of unlocking the device. So we have a choice between pattern, pin, or password. I'm gonna choose pattern. You can choose whatever one you like. So let's draw the pattern. And then start scanning the finger on the back. Okay. And then as you can see, you can rename the fingerprint that you have just added, add another one if you like. I'm just gonna tap on done, one is enough. And as you can see, now we're in the normal Android, fully set up. So that is how you would go through the setup process of the device. And I could also connect to the network now, and it won't be taking ages to do it. So as you can see, obtaining IP, and now I'm connected. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.